we are now going to unbox the duoscope. So go ahead and unbox it, Deja. How you hold it? Yes. So this is the microscope.
Got a ring, but it's not.
These are the magnifying glass. Well, the magnifying glass. Okay, and this they call the stage. Well, this lowers and raises the stage. But when you put it away, you always gotta make sure it's lowered. The lights down bottom and the lights up top are the lights Deja will show.
Brake light.
That is the top light.
Dim light.
And that's the bottom light.
And dim light.
So, yep, this is where you look through. And we're gonna go ahead and take this out.
A box, a thing of a box.
Alright, so what's this stage at? These are the slides.
The tweezer.
Or forceps. The stains. Red and blue.
The plastic we're using.
Cover glass and petri dish.
The eyedropper.
I forgot what this was called.
The eyedropper.
Anyway, yeah, we're gonna call this the eyedropper, and this is the test tube. I know it would be all. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get us a plane slide because we have some things we want to try out here. We have onion skin, mint leaf, flower petals. Deja, she has some things, or something from a flower, and Deja's also picked this piece of bark here to look at. Okay, so she got that. Put it up to the camera. Whatever that is from the flower. So we're gonna go ahead. What do you want to look at first?
The fuzzy thing.
All right. So we're gonna take a slide or two. So go ahead and put it up here.
Fuzzy thing on the fuzzy thing. I mean, that's not a fuzzy thing.
Alrighty. Okay. I want to put that on top. Alright.
Don't mush the fuzzy thing.
It's fine. Alright, we're gonna move everything else out of the way. Go ahead and lift these for me.
Now you got the fuzzy thing's juice up there.
Oh.
You want to do what now?
Lift the. Okay.
Now you killed the fuzzy thing.
Okay. Eek. Oof.
Now you
may put on the light. So you have it up there. Hold up, look at the 4X first. And this takes a while, like we said. Hey, I did it. Hold up, look at this. Those little sparks. Don't know what they are. They're not spikes. Hold up. Don't move it. But those are the leaves. That's cool, okay? We got it.
Oh my goodness.
It's all fuzzy looking. That's what those were, though. Those fuzzy.
Wait a minute.
You see it? That's what it looks like. Are you satisfied? Okay. Okay, that's nasty. Well, not exactly nasty.
Why are beautiful?
And it had like, I don't know if I can see that right, but that's what it looks like. You can see kind of through it. Oh, it looks like it has hairs all over it. That is good. That's good. All right, we're gonna look at 10X now. All right. I keep saying ew. Where'd it go? There it is. I don't think y'all can see the spiky stuff on it. It looks like hairs or like roots, actually. I don't that y'all can really see.
Just crunching up a plate.
But, oh, did you look at it? Look at it. Look at it.
Eat my spinach.
What does that look like?
The fuzzy thing.
Oh my gosh, does it look like roots?
Oh, I see the spikes.
Yeah.
The little fuzzies have little dipple dots.
Double dot. Wow, so descriptive. Okay. All right. I didn't say double dots.
Exactly. So I'm gonna stick it.
Wow. Okay, so that was cool. This little fuzzy thing. Wow. Oh. Wow. Okay. It's smushed. It got smushed a lot. Anyway. Next, we're gonna look at this leaf. I have this mint leaf I got from my backyard. This mint leaf from my backyard. Why are you singing your ABCs?
So you say A. So I just said Q.
Wow. Okay, so can you lift these? Can you lift the other one?
Sure, it bends. Scoops it over.
All right, let's start back from 4x. All right. Oh, you want to look at it first.
Wow.
I'm excited now. We got it right. If I could just get it. Hold up. Look at that.
Wow, it's a leaf.
Okay, you better look at it.
Wow, it's a leaf with some blue
Wow.
stuff.
How could you get excited over a leaf? I know.
Wow, it's a leaf with some blue stuff.
But it looks
Wow.
cool. Wow. Okay. Let's look at it in 10x. A lot of that's look.
Wow, a leaf.
You keep saying that. What in the
That's all
world?
I see, a leaf.
But doesn't it look nice up close?
It just looks like a leaf.
Wow. She doesn't see it. I hope y'all see it
I don't see
right.
the excitement.
So they're just now going to put
Onion.
the onion skin. It would be better to flatten it out though. But oh well.
That's how it's
Hold up,
going.
4x. And then tell me how it looks.
Wait,
You saw something?
was that just my eyelash? Wait, hold on. Let me.
Okay, focus. Go really slow. That's really slow. No, not that slow. Wow. Okay. Do you see anything yet? No, you're supposed to figure out when you're supposed to stop. What do you see?
Oh.
You see something?
Found. Ooh.
What do you see? What it look like to you?
Onion skin.
Onion.
No, it looks like floor tiles.
Floor tiles. Never seen that before. It's basically that color. Okay. It's very white looking, and this is yellow onion. Oh.
Also called tan onion.
Yeah, okay. And look, it looks orangey. Oh, looks orangey right now. Okay, that's probably because it's added light.
Wait.
All right, hold up. We're gonna add 10x now.
Oh, finally you got your numbers right.
Wow. Alrighty. Tell me when you stop. Tell me when you see anything. Anything.
Oh.
See anything?
No further. Oh. Go back. There. Looks like floor tiles. No, it looks like a rug. Oh, it's rug.
I don't know. Pete, can you see it though?
Oh, it says keep away from children. Then how is this?
Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see it.
How is this?
But it actually looks like, to me it looks like skin.
It don't
like,
make no sense.
If you look at your skin up close. You probably can't see it. I don't think they can see it. But, whoa. She'll have adult supervision. But I believe we're old enough.
Wait, what is the age limit for this? There is no age limit.
That's 9 and up. Next, what would we do next? Oh, Scientist Tonija is here.
Oh no, he's got it.
All right. So next, you want to try this flower petal? Want to try the flower? Do you want to? Okay. All right. Be patient. Patience is key. I heard a lot of people say that. Just like I'm copying other people. Nigel has something to say to everybody. Alright. We don't need tweezers for this. Just flatten it up there. Alright. It's ready to be magnetized.
Oh, magnetized.
Alright. Lift. So Nigel, you will see. I don't know if it's underneath the ladder or what.
Honey. You ain't gonna be doing that.
Okay, so. What you already see something? It's very purple, like, there's really no difference. Wait a minute. Yeah, I never saw it. Yeah, it's like, hey! Okay. What are y'all listening about? Anyway, it's more purple. Let's try it with a different lighting.
What about me?
Sorry.
What about me?
Give me a chance here, okay?
What about me?
Oh, fine. Yes. Do you see anything?
You look like some reptile skin and shit.
Reptile? Wait a minute. Now try it. Oh, they're like, oh yeah, you already saw it. Alright, so next we are going to use 10x. Let's see. Hey. Reptile skin, but it's like not really noticeable. Look. Look, you're moving the camera, okay?
I'm doing that.
Okay.
Well, look at that.
Okay. Let's us move on to one last one, I believe. Yeah, one more thing. Or
You letting all my birth particles fall out.
Okay.
My birth particles.
Yeah, you really need that light. And this is what I see. It would be so better if y'all could see this in person. But yeah, it looks interesting in my view.
Wow, it looks like. Okay, I don't know what to see. It looks like I'm at the bottom of the ocean or something shit.
Bottom of the ocean on the second. It just looks like wood. Wow, okay. That's all we had to show. Everything was very fascinating looking. The leaves, the petals, the onion. Oh. Actually, we forgot to do the hair, but we're running out of time here. So, I hope you all enjoyed our video with this duo Scope Microscope and all the things we looked at today. So, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and comment.